Welcome everyone. MB Wilkil over here. Gonna do another vid today again. I've been doing a lot of vids lately and people are asking themselves what happened to MB, why is he doing so much vids? Well guys, it's very simple. When I'm trading, I make vids. When I'm off the charts doing other things in life, then I will not do a lot of vids. So for now, yeah, I'm really trading a lot, so I'm gonna do a vid today. It will be a vid about a bit of everything. So we're gonna talk about Bitcoin, we're gonna talk about some altcoins, we're gonna talk about the market, DXY. So it's gonna be a vid about everything. So I suggest you pay attention and watch the vid. You can put it on 1.5 speed if you're in any hurry or rush. What I also wanted to say, I received an email by a person. I didn't reply to him yet, but he's I don't know, he's some kind of specialist in CEO or whatever, and he was telling me that he did a check on my YouTube vids, and he was seeing that a lot of CEOs were not good, and that was one of the biggest reasons why my vids aren't getting a lot of views and etc. And I have to say to this person, if you're looking to this, if you're watching this vid, I am no marketing expert, no IT guy or whatever. I am only focused on charts, markets, correlations, trading, again traded. That's what I do. So I will definitely give a look at those CEOs or whatever. But you know, the thing is, I don't have a company from which that are editing my vids, or I don't. Also, I never guys, never prepare my vids. So what I do is when I record a vid, I just open up the chart, I push on the record button, and then I'll see what I'm gonna talk about. So it's just it's no editing, no nothing. I don't prepare anything. I just put on the record button and I'm going to talk about the charts and my opinions about them, and that's it. So there's nothing involved here with whatever. So if someone of the retail fam has got some skills, or you're in the TG group and you've got some skills on how to get more how these conversions, they say in English, I think, how to get more views. I think that to get the most views is when people that are liking my vids and that are helping you, just click on that like button, because the more the video gets liked, or you put on a comment, is how YouTube will. And I will also try to do some adjustments on my YouTube page to get more views. So if someone in the TG group, or someone following me on YouTube, please let me know in the comments. What to do if you see that I'm doing something wrong, or maybe I need to adjust my text, or maybe I need to add some hashtags, or I really don't know. It's not my thing, and you know, I'm more focused on the charts, and I'm focused on the macro and on the gain trading, and that's my thing. That's what I do. So if you, and you know, everything I do is for free. I never charge anyone for a penny. So if you are very good in this market, so you can give me some tips, just give me those tips in the comments or in the TG group, or you can DM me on Twitter or DM me on Telegram, and let me know if I can do something or change something to get my views up. And the only thing I ask for is, guys, as many times I'm seeing that my vids get like 200 views, 300 views, 400 views, and most of the times I see like 20-30 likes. I really don't get it. If you are watching this vid and you're liking it, because if you're watching it, I hope that you like it, because if you don't like it, you don't watch the vid. Why would you watch my vids if you don't like them? It's just one click on the like button. One click on the like button. Like those vids, because that would help a lot. Okay, enough about this. We're gonna talk about my new partnership at the end of the vid. So we're gonna start now about Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Well, guys, this is really when we were over here, I think at the 33k or 32k in my vid like 4 or 5 days ago, I told you the buy price is very high and we're probably going to the 36k level, and we did. We did, and we also got perfectly rejected at the 36.2k level. So as you can see on the line, we touched it, and well, I hope that really a lot of my viewers and my followers have been making a lot of money out of this. However you do it, either you're longed it to the 36k and took profits, either you're shorted this, whatever you did, but it's really, I really hope that you guys made a lot of money, and this is just one of many predictions I nailed. So I really hope that you guys made a lot of money over here. If you did make money on this trade, you did trade it based on my analyze, let me know in the comment. So for now, I also received a hater. These people on X are really crazy. He texted me. This is someone is very. It's a known someone. It's an influencer. He DM'd me about I will long. He's very bullish. He's a really a FOMO guy, and he told me I will long Bitcoin 1000x just to prove you wrong. Well, bro. First of all, why are you DMing me? Why can't you say this just in open? Just reply to my tweet and we can talk openly while the whole world is watching us when we're talking about this. It's no problem. I will discuss and debate anyone that wants to debate me. I'm open to that based on arguments and facts. Don't DM me. Next time I will share the tweet of the DM, and everyone can look what you're sending me over there. So you've been warned. It was the last time. So for now, does this mean that this is the rejection and we cannot break this? No, definitely not, because those whales can decide to pump it up out of nothing. Out of nothing they could pump it up and then we go high. So we're definitely not back. But for now, we have been rejection. So we've, let me put it on the daily. We get rejected here, we tried over here, we tried over here, we tried over here, we tried over here, and we're getting rejected again. When are the bulls going to give up? Are they going to give up? For now, it's very simple to me. In trading, we are no oracles and we don't have no crystal balls. So how do we do this? When you're in holding some big bags, or you're longing, or whatever it is, when you reach resistance is resistance. There is a tweet of mine, you can look it up. I tell you, resistance is resistance until I'm proven. So what you do is, over here, you just get out. And you wait for confirmation if this thing is going to break up, yes or no. That's the way how you protect your capital. You just, okay, wait a minute, we reached resistance and B told us it could be rejected over here. I just get out. I take my profits. Take the damn profits. Like I've always been sharing, you take the damn profits. About the guys that are shorting this, as long as you're a professional trader, you know how to short, always take the damn profits and never let the bulls surprise you. So meaning always have a stop loss in very good profits. And what you can do is, a lot of people tell me, but how do we do that? How do we do that? Well, if you suppose you opened up your long over here at 60, at 36 or 36.2. How do I do that? Okay, well, very simple. M color indicator. There we go. If you are like, you know what, I'm in so much profits, I don't care if this thing bounces a bit back and I have to give those profits back, I'm a hodler. So that's when you use the indicator, and you can put on the indicator, and as long as we are under the 200 EMA or the indicator, I'm just staying in. And you can also put your stop loss just above it, or you put it above the 200 EMA. So you just put it over there, and sure, they can make a pump up and they hit your stop loss and then they go down. That's the risk you have to take. Or you can also say, wait a minute, I will secure my capital because I'm in it for the long run, and I think that we're going down to the 33k or 32k or 30k or 20k, whatever you're thinking. What you can do is, when you put your stop loss, you put your stop loss on a 50%. So 50% goes out if it comes above over here. Then you have secured your capital. And then if it goes up again, you just leave it run and maybe you will add another bag. But this is how you secure your capital. So if you're leverage trading and you're shorting, make sure to have your stop loss always and never do it exactly above it. Always go a bit higher, because they're grabbing the 200 EMA is maybe the most traded indicator there is, the 200 EMA. So always put it a bit above it. So if it comes up, then you will not those fake outs and the candle will not close above it. Then you should put it a bit higher. So this way you secured your capital and you secured your profits. And if you're not greedy like my style is just when I make money, I'm just making money. I really don't care. And if I go out, I go out. So that's about Bitcoin for now. Put on the indicator, watch it, and as long as you're seeing here it's chopping around, let me put it on the 1 hour, because we also lost the 1 hour and we're now reaching the 200 EMA. So the 34.1.2, also a lot of liquidity over here, as you can see. You see this? So for now, this liquidity over here, so for now this is a very important level to hold, because if this thing will not hold, you can see something like this happen. Then you got candles that go really 500 bucks, 1,000 bucks, maybe 2,000 bucks, whatever. It can go hard. So that's why this level is very important. It needs to hold the 200 EMA in the 1 hour. So you really need to watch this level. This we cannot break this down. If we broke this down, then yeah, then the MB prediction of 36.2k will be nailed, and those haters will probably gonna send me some DMs again about how much they hate me. Because why? Because I'm showing the retail members where to get out. That's just as simple as that. Okay, about altcoins. I think that most of you people, you love it when I start talking about altcoins. Everyone loves altcoins. So let me see, if you want to watch altcoins, you first of all go to the Bitcoin dominance chart. And what are we seeing? We're seeing on the weekly, this thing is really getting rejected like crazy over here. So this is bullish for altcoins. And again, I've explained this a lot of times in my vids. If this thing comes down very hard, does not mean that your altcoin is going to pump. No. What it means is that most average altcoins will drop less than Bitcoin in percentage. So you have to understand that. So if this thing comes dropping down, doesn't mean that if you're holding a GRT or a VeChain bag, that it's going to that it's going to moon because the Bitcoin dominance is dropping. No, because if Bitcoin goes down, most of the altcoins all go down. 90%, 95% will go down. And the only thing what this thing is going to show us is that most, not all of them, but most altcoins will come down. Maybe if Bitcoin drops like, let's just say 5%, most altcoins, not most altcoins, a big group of altcoins will drop maybe 3% or 4% or whatever. So that's what we have to see. So let's go and watch those altcoins. I've been sharing something very important yesterday in trading. And I think you guys need all to, I want, actually, if you are an altcoin trader, buyer, hodler, whatever you're doing, especially the traders, I want that everyone, because I know you can't see it on my vid, but you've got your watch list. And I want that everyone in his watch list makes a watch list especially for the BTC pairs. So you're gonna make, like, suppose you're trading Solana, or you're trading Link, or you're trading whatever you're trading. I want that everyone, if you're active trading, you need to make a watch list. It's a whole list only of BTC pairs. You can also make ETH pairs, but that's another level higher in trading. I will explain in another vid. But let's all just start with BTC pairs. So meaning, like I'm showing you, this is, for example, let me remove this one. So this is, for example, FTM. FTM. Oh, Bitcoin is dropping. Okay, this is live, guys. Okay, so for example, FTM against Bitcoin. How is it looking? This is looking pretty wrecked. So this means that if I would be interested in buying FTM, I look at this chart first. And when I look at this chart, these are the charts I like because it's at a bottom formation. And when they are at the bottom formation means that there is a higher probability that if the altcoins will start pumping, that this is one of the coins that could do very good. Because you have to understand it like this: there are a lot of whales that are do not hold fiat or stable. They flip their Bitcoin to altcoins, so from altcoins they flip them back to Bitcoin. So what you're seeing here is that a lot of whales have flipped from here. They have flipped their FTM at the top over here. They flipped it to Bitcoin. And you're seeing over here they thought, okay, let's flip some Bitcoin back to FTM, and so on and so on. So this is very, very important when you're trading altcoins, because you have to see how is the BTC pair looking. Is it looking bullish or bearish? In my opinion, FTM is one of the coins that is looking bullish. Because why? We are at the accumulation zone, and if some crazy will flip like his 100 Bitcoin into FTM, you will see a spike up just like we saw over here, and that would mean that in the USDT pair it will also fly. So everyone, especially in my trading group, my MaxC trading group on TG, that are over there, I will share it also on my TG group. I want that everyone makes a watch list on TradingView, and he needs to make a list of the altcoins that he's trading, and he needs to add the BTC pairs. So I want that everyone's to do that, because by the way, guys, about TradingView, I'm waiting for the, because I'm also a partner with TradingView, I'm waiting for the Black Friday, discount. So I will not be sharing now, because I will not be sharing now to get a paid program on TradingView, because if you're active trading, you're gonna need it. I would just wait until the Black Friday, and then you'll get, like, I don't know what it was, 50, 60, 70% discount. And also the people that have been signing up and having a TradingView using my link, just wait until Black Friday, and then we will get a very cheap one. So let me another one. Arweave, same story, very bullish. These are the coins I like, very bullish. I'm not telling you that I'm buying now. I'm telling you the charts that you have to look very bullish. If you go to QNT, also getting into this zone, also bullish on the midterm. Let me go XRP also, look at it how this looks, also in the accumulation zone. If you go to Polkadot, well, super bullish against the BTC pair. It's all wrecked. So all these charts, near is a bit more. Let me eagled, also in accumulation. Let me show you guys a bit of them. Rose, also bullish. What do I have here? Woo, also bullish in accumulation zone. So there are also I showed let me it's not here. Listen, this is the one I wanted to show you, and that's what I showed you guys also yesterday. Let me go to my blue watch list, because it's over here. Where is it? Oh, VRA Bitcoin, also looking good. So everyone that's really at bottom formations are coins that you can buy for the midterm. If you get a drop, if Bitcoin works out just like I shared, these are the coins. You have to check the BTC pair. I shared it yesterday. Oh, wait a minute. Why can I? Come on. We cannot. Here it is. Engine. Listen. As much as I like Engine, but this is the coin that I would not buy. It's just how it is. For sure, if we could break up here and we make a new high, this is very bullish for trading. So there is a big chance that I will long the shit out of this when it breaks up, because this is super bullish if this thing breaks up, and we're at all-time highs, all-time high areas for trading. But for investing wise, for sure, no, because look at it, it's almost at all-time high versus the Bitcoin, because at some points those wheels will flip their engine into Bitcoin, and then you'll see a big drop back. So this is one of those examples why this is so important. This is very important to know. So okay, there are a lot more things I want to talk about the Bitcoin pairs, and I wanted to talk also about a lot of about the markets. We've got the job, the unemployment job reports, so there's gonna be some volatility. We got a huge pump yesterday. So, but I'm just watching the time. It's 20 minutes, and I decided to not make long vids anymore. It's just I try to make them in 15 minutes. So also, before we gonna end this vid, if you liked it, put on that like, please. And I've partnered up with MaxC officially now, and we've been testing the exchange, and guys, the fees are super low. It's incredible. Let me tell you honest over here, in my opinion, it's too good to be true. That's how low those fees are. But we've been testing it, the team have been testing it, and let's just say it's all looking good. It's all looking perfectly. So if you want to join the Retail Fam trading group, I've got a special topic on TG, and we'll be doing a lot of things over there. So if you want to join, you can use the link below. You can join the Friends Club, and you can get some things on some fee, more fees, reductions, etc. I really don't know exactly. You know, I'm not about telling you bonus this, bonus that, because all those bonuses, they are small letters. So I really not going to talk about those bonuses. For me, MaxC, the most important thing for me and for you guys is that the fees are like 70-80% less than any other big exchange out there. And that's what I love, because I love to buy crypto, get in, make money, and get the freaking fuck out at the same moment. And let me just give you an example. When I make like $500, I'm gonna pay $2-3, no problem. But I'm not going into a trade and risking my money and then getting out and then paying like $40, $50, $60, $70 on fees, because this is madness. This is almost 15-20% what you're paying on fees. It's really crazy. But I will talk about this a lot more. Guys, again, leave a comment, let me know. Have a nice one, and bye bye.